Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2020 Pacifica Limited with the S package on it. So it's super nice van. A full panoramic sunroof on it. Of course, leather, heated seats. Of course, you got remote start, power sliders. Has the 18-inch black force wheels. Roof rack is integral, of course. Backup camera. This car has navigation. Bigger screen. Backup sensors on it. It's just super nice. Of course, got power lift gates on it. It does have the vacuum system in it. Back seats are laid down at the moment. Power trifold in the rear. Of course, these seats are Stow-N-Go. Floor mats are down. Second row is heated. Hope you can see that switch right there. This is a limited. This one does not have rear seat video. Of course, power windows, power door locks, programmable seats. They're leather, they're heated and ventilated. Let me show you the rest. So looking at the display, has AM, FM, of course satellite radio on it. These climate controls happen to be off, but they kind of duplicate. So you have controls down here on the dash, as well as up, and you can do rear climate controls. There's the heated seat, ventilated seats. Navigation, of course. Automatic. Got 18,508 miles on it. Bluetooth for the phone. Cruise control, of course. Super nice car. Call me. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.